CarFix.
This is the Honda Odyssey model 2005-2010, but this is specifically 2007. So I have a problem with my blower motor that is located on the passenger side under the dashboard. Okay, first you have to take off this cover, which is very easily. Have some clips this side and this side on other sides, just like this. Pull it down, it comes out, and here is where's the blower motor. So in order to take it out, there's some cables you have to take it out. One of them is right here. The other one is for the resistor, so this you can change the speed of it. It's located up here. There's a clip at the top. You have to press it and then pull it out. Then there are 3 screws in order to open the blower motor. So let's open the first one. And now it falls right on your hand. So let's see. There's a problem over here. It had a sound, so probably it was this one. You see over here it has so many scratches. Probably that's another reason why it was making the sound. So now after I cleaned it and took out all the stuff that was inside it, now it's ready back to go back. Alright. In order to put it back, it's just to do the same steps but in reverse. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, comment below if you have any question, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and check our previous video by clicking here, there, anywhere.